Have you ever thought of using a tool to automatically generate content for your blog? That could be a great way to fill up your site with posts. But what if I told you that it could be harming your website more than helping it? And what if I say you won't be able to monetize your blog that way? Well, stay tuned to find out why. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything building of websites and businesses. Well, today we are going to be talking about why using auto-generated content for your blog is bad, especially if you want to monetize it in the future. Let's dive right into the details. First, let's explain what auto-generated content is. It's a content generated by software or tools without you doing much work. This tool collects information from other websites, slightly change it, and upload it to your blog. That sounds easy, right? Here is why it's a bad idea. The biggest problem with auto-generated content is that it duplicates content. Search engines like Google doesn't like it when they find same content on different websites. Auto-generated content often copies from other blogs, so your post might be flagged as duplicate content. When that happens, Google might penalize your site, making it difficult for people to find your blog. This might also ruin your chance of monetizing your content because search engines won't trust your content. Using auto-generated content also gives bad experience to your readers. People love to see original content that can be found elsewhere, and when they notice your content is copied or doesn't seem original, they will leave your site and probably won't return. This could also lower your engagement and it will be difficult for you to grow your blog. Auto-generated content can also lead to copyrighted problems. If these two copy content from other sites without permission, it could be held for copyrighted materials, which can lead to your site being taken down or you might face legal action. One of the biggest reasons why you should avoid auto-generated content is that you cannot monetize it. Platforms like Google AdSense, affiliate program, and even sponsored posts requires original content. It's full of auto-generated content or copied content. This platform will reject your monetization request and you won't be able to make money after the long run. And finally, when you use auto-generated content, your blog loses its uniqueness. Your personal thoughts, experience, and ideas are what make your blog valuable. And auto-generated content takes that away. Your blog will just be like every other site with random information. Your readers want to hear from you, not a machine. So what is the final takeaway? Don't use auto-generated content for your blog. They might seem fast and easy, but it might cause a lot of problems. Duplicate content, poor user experience, legal risks, and you won't even be able to monetize your blog. Instead, focus on creating original valuable content that will help your blog grow and succeed. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips about blogging, websites, and businesses.